everybody again.
Hi. So today we are going to go through all of our stuff in the van because for the first time this season, we're going to go camping, and we were just doing a quick checklist of things so we don't forget for next week.
So we don't forget anything like we have a couple of times, like our saucepans and whatever. So right, let's get on with it and start packing our van and make sure we don't miss anything out. So we've got one of the original Ridge Monkeys frying pans, or steak fry, whatever you want to call it, and these usually go under the seat.
Saucepan, yeah.
And the rest of the frying pans and the toasties probably need a good clean out. They go under there like so, and then we've got the kettle.
So you just found some more?
So I found some more, yeah. That's the top to that. Like I say, all of these need a good clean
You don't
out.
have to do that when it's the campsite. Just give it
Yeah, give them a good clean over.
Yeah. That's not going to fit in there.
What's this?
That is.
Usually sits. Plastic bowls for your washing up.
Washing up.
Usually tuck these down here on top of each other where the books are. That's our candle.
A while, but they need charging back up again. They're rechargeable, and they're just so good, aren't they?
Yeah.
And they've got. I don't think the remote works anymore, though, does it?
No, I don't think so. But I might even get some more of these because these were really good. There they are, and they look really authentic, don't they? When they're
when they're
lights
on,
on.
yeah.
But like I say, these you get 3 in a box, but it lights up still, but you can see where the spindle's gone through.
Well, even though we've kept them in the box, it's just got damage, isn't it?
Yeah, but they're quite good. Don't forget your pickles.
Big fridge.
We've got 2 of those, well worth the money. Use it as a fridge like we told you before, or a freezer. What we generally do is plug it in, charge it, let it freeze up, put the food in, and then generally over the couple of days we put it down to the minimum, so it
make it into a fridge,
defrosts and goes into a fridge. So
it's interesting this time,
brilliant.
though, having no electric, how that's going to work out. Yeah.
Still a matter of charging all of the bits and bobs up. Everything's in there, all our wires and whatever for our speakers,
torches, stuff like that.
lights and whatever. So everybody needs a camping table. We'll use this for our cooker or the cooking facilities, and then we usually have the other one when we're serving up, or we put all the plates, or we'll put our bottles of wine on.
That first table, if it's still got them in, it's got some little stools in there.
Yeah, 2 little stools inside it.
Well, you got that from Lidl,
Which is quite good. Yeah. Yeah. So
yes.
that's that.
So that's that.
So when you're all set up and ready, it's time to get your camping chairs out. Don't forget your camping chairs. I love how everything that's to do with camping is all foldable and flat pack.
Yeah. Are we having 3 chairs then today?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Why?
One for the dog.
Oh.
So next on the line is, don't forget your chocks.
Chocks.
If you're on a slope, you need them.
Yeah, you do need them.
Especially if you're in a motorhome and you've got your water storage.
We don't have that problem, but we haven't done it before.
They do level us up, don't they, sometimes?
Yeah, definitely.
Which is good.
What
That's
we're
in
doing.
case we're taking this torch in and charging
Everybody needs a torch.
it. And it's a USB one.
Yes.
Next to your picnic basket, we've still got to put some of us food in that and wine. But that picnic basket is quite good, isn't it? Open it up and show you. Get numerous things in there, even razors, look.
That's normal.
Your picnic bowls and your...
Yeah, it is good actually, I do like that.
You know, a couple of bottles of wine in there we usually put, don't we?
One of my favourite things is this washing line. It's like a bungee cord with the pegs still on it, look. You can move them up and down, it stretches a lot, and you can sort of put it from wherever to get your tea towels and things dry if you do your washing, or obviously dry out towels or whatever it might be. So I really like this.
These carpets are excellent. I think we got these from either Tesco or
Amazon. They
Amazon
are brilliant.
or whatever.
12 quid each, something like that.
Yeah, we've got a couple of them. The plastic, you can get them wet, dirty, they're brilliant.
Yeah.
And you can peg them down on the floor as well over the grass if you want to. One really should have a first aid kit, because when Jackie opens the cans she usually cuts the finger.
Oh yeah.
So your little first aid kit, make sure you got all your plasters.
But the other thing is, we've learnt to buy things with ring pulls on. It's much easier.
Wrinkles?
Ring pulls.
Oh, I thought you said wrinkles. Got enough of them. Your sleeping bag.
Our
brand new sleeping bag. Van Gogh or Van Gogh.
Yep.
And that completes the back doors until we put all our sleeping pillars in there and stuff into in our quilt.
Yeah.
Table is the next thing. This goes on to the actual side door, doesn't it? When we're having a glass of wine or we're having a meal.
A bracket thing that you fitted on, haven't you?
Yeah.
Which is brilliant. I love that table, and it moves around as well.
Always
So
cover it up so it don't get scratched.
Or inside, can't you?
Yeah. And that generally goes there. Holds everything in. And then your windscreen cover.
Windscreen cover.
So awning and windscreen cover go together. And then if we don't put the awning up, we have this little canopy that we put up, don't we?
Some canopy, yeah.
Some canopy, easy camp, which is good.
That is the sun canopy. It's good really, isn't it? But we've found out the hard way, it's not waterproof.
No, it's not waterproof. And it's always good to have a toolkit, a little ratchet set, and various screwdrivers, adjustables, just in case anything does go wrong. And don't forget,
We always lose
mallets.
that. We always lose that, don't
Yeah.
we?
Everyone likes a fire pit. So we usually take our own wood, don't we?
Yeah, because
it is quite expensive.
Yeah, the campsites charge for. Actually, we did buy that at a campsite, didn't we?
Yeah, we did this one. Yeah.
Not all campsites let you have a fire, we've noticed.
No, they don't.
And sometimes you can even rent one from the site, can't you? Sometimes you even get one with your pitch. But we've got a little mini one, which is good and goes in a little bag.
Yeah. But it's also a good idea when you do get your wood anyway to get some fire lighters.
Oh yeah.
Because it never seems to light properly. Does it?
No, it doesn't.
Right, the next thing is don't forget your awning.
Just in case it might rain.
Just in case it rains, we hope it doesn't, and we don't want 100-mile-an-hour winds either, do we?
No, not particularly, no.
No. Get your awning or tent pegs, always remember them.
We've got lots of them, heavy duty, haven't we?
Yeah.
Because we do find that they get lost along the way sometimes.
Or they get bent.
Or they get bent, yeah. So there you go, we've got everything in the van that we need now, haven't we, for the first trip of the season?
Yeah, so all we've got to do is stock up with food, put his clothes in and load up the dog.
Load up the dog, don't forget the dog and the bedding.
So hopefully after all of that we've not forgotten anything at all. Hope you enjoy our video and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye bye.